table gives values for a function m at selected values of t. Which of the following graphs could represent these data in a semi-log plot where the vertical axis is logarithmically scaled? All right, so I don't need a calculator here because I'm just given 3 graphs. Now, I had to make this problem with just an A, B, and a C because it's very hard to create semi-log plots and fit them all in one slide, so I didn't do it that way. Now, what you're looking for is a semi-log plot A where the vertical axis is logarithmically scaled. That's thing number 1. A semi-log plot where the vertical axis is logarithmically scaled goes like this, and as you work your way up, things get a little bit tighter. Okay, I could have done a much better job showing that. But what we see in A is the vertical axis is just linearly scaled. It goes up 200, then 400, then 600. That's not the guy we want. This is just a regular old coordinate plane. Now, B and C, those are our guys where it's logarithmically scaled, where we go from 10 to 100 to 1,000 to 10 to the 4th. Same thing over here, even though it's cut off. And as you can see, the horizontal parts are kind of squeezing in, just like I said it would. Now, the table is given, and the table is not giving us linear values. The table is giving us values that are exploding. In fact, it looks like you multiply by a 4-ish number every time. Not 4, maybe like 3 point something every time to move your way up. Okay, so this is exponential. I don't know exactly what that number is, but it's exponential. Okay, when these guys go up by 1s, this goes up by a multiple every single time. Now, on a log plot, if you have an exponential function, it would appear to be linear. And C gives me that. One more time, on a semi-log plot, if you have exponential values, the dots appear to be linear, and C gives me that. B gives me what looks like is quadratic or something like that. It gives me a curve. If you have a curve on a semi-log plot, you don't have an exponential function. So it's not going to be B. So although the temptation is to look at this and be like, oh yeah, no, it's exponential, so it should look like that, exponential growth. Yeah, it'll look like this on a rectangular plane, but it'll look like this on a semi-log plot. So one of those things where you only see semi-log plots really in AP Precalculus. I've never seen it anywhere else in my 20 years of teaching and extra 6 years of colleges. So take it for what it's worth. Semi-log plots, super important. But, hope this helps.